Hello chess fans, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I shall be taking you through a game which never was. So what do I mean by that? Well, I was looking for a great game of Alexander Elyakhin to showcase on my channel, and I crashed into something that never really happened. There are some people who have created some mystical games about Alexander which never really happened. Let me just give an example of this. There's a game of Alexander Elyakhin versus Arthur West. Now, in the original game, this is what happened. Alexander in this position captured on d5, captured the knight, and after pawn takes, basically just played knight to f6, and this is where his opponent resigned the game. In fact, this is, you can see a pin over here on the g file, so the knight cannot be captured. In the game, king f8 might have been tried, but the problem was, of course, this is where the game was ended. Basically, queen h7 was the case. Queen g8 is a checkmate threatened. You can't really take the knight in that case. Rook g8 is checkmate. So basically, rook g8, queen g8, and queen takes knight. There are several threats in this position. Basically, black is totally lost and totally crushed in this position. There is no hope for black. Of course, this is what happened in the real game, but there are some fantasy games on internet which showcase something else. Now, these are not real games. In one of the videos I saw that someone has basically claimed that in this position Alexander played bishop d1, and somehow they reach into a very interesting type of position which never really happened in the game. Rook to d7. I don't know what's the point of this, but then let's say something like a4, and the black knight was on the b4 square attacking the queen, and basically this is the position that they claimed that Alexander has played. Now this was not a real position. It never really happened in the Alexander's game. All of that effort was simply made in order to show a combination that exists over here which never really happened in the game. Now this is a fantasy combination which could have happened. Now this combination is really beautiful but never really happened, so that is a fake game, and I would like you to stay away from such fake games. And because they don't really exist in reality, although the combination is beautiful, and I'm going to take you through the combination. The combination starts with the move queen going to h7, queen sacrifice. It's a beautiful combination which never really happened, so it's a fake game that someone has created. But I have to tell you this, you can search this game, Alexander versus his, what's his opponent's name, West, Arthur West 1923, and you will find the video which showcases this move. And this was not played in the game, but anyway, let's have a look at this beautiful combination. So in the game it was said that this was captured, and now comes a beautiful checkmate. And I really love this checkmate. I don't know what kind of a checkmate it's called as, but it's a beautiful checkmate. Maybe a blackburn mate or something, I'm not sure what kind of a mating formation is that. If you guys know about the checkmating formation, do let me know. But here is the one we are talking about. Rook, first we sacrifice the queen, now comes the rook, we sacrifice the rook. Now black obviously takes that, and the entire point was removing the defender on g7. Remember, there was a pawn on g7 which was guarding the f6 square, and that is why it was important to remove that g7's pawn. And after rook takes, now comes knight to f6 check. The point is knight is well guarded by the pawn, and the knight covers the g8 square. It gives a check on the check to the h7 king, and now the king is forced to step out, and the moment he steps out, there comes bishop to h5 checkmate. A beautiful checkmate which I would say never really happened. It was a fantasy variation that is not true, but a lovely checkmate. I guess everything is covered, and it's a very pretty checkmate. So I'd like to like you guys to tell me what kind of a checkmate is this. Does it have a particular name? Obviously it's very attractive, it looks very beautiful. It has to have a name, some elegant name. So you guys tell me, and to stay away from such fake games that never really happened. Although this combination is beautiful, your legend never really played. In fact, all he played in this position was simply to take the knight and finish up the game with knight f6 check, because after king f8, queen h7 was absolutely crushing, and this is where the game ended. So just stay away from such fake games that people create, and always double check your sources. Even if it's me, double check the sources, and make sure that the source is mentioned. So Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this great game by Alexander Eliakin. The other variation was also pretty good. It didn't happen in the game, but still it was good. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.